Hey guys, welcome to the Embassy Suites in Fort Lauderdale on 17th Street. We are in room 1016. It's a king suite. Let's see if anyone's home. Look who's home, guys.
February's vacation.
Hey. So, as you can see, we just got in not too long ago. Stopped and picked up a couple things, but here's the room. It's a king suite. Walk in, typical embassy suite style. You know, when you walk in the lobby, then it's open air. You got the rooms to the side. So walk in, you have a nice sitting area. You have, I don't know what to say about these two. I mean, it's like accent, but they don't seem like they match to me. But I have no fashion. I have no fashion sense.
This hotel room is definitely dated.
Yes, it is dated, and y'all know me. I'm always like, ooh, look at that, look at that. So, but yeah, this room is a little bit dated. I'll start with that. But anyways, you have a sofa. Is that a pull-out?
I think so.
Yep. So it's a pull-out. So you have the king, and that looks like a full-size pull-out. Dining room, you know. So if you come in with kids, you can pull out right there. Nice little wet bar area. We stopped to pick up a couple things on our way, but look, what better way to use the wet bar sink than not sponsored.
There's a microwave and a refrigerator.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. You got cabinet. Microwave. You can tell the microwave. It's a little dated. The knobs are a little shaky, and then you got a refrigerator. Abso cold. We have a few things in there. All right, and so you have the bedroom door. So the bedroom door shuts. A little privacy. For some reason, it's another sink, and I mean, I don't know. There's 3 sinks in this room. You got how many mirrors? You got 1, 2, 3. Here's the bathroom. Right off the, 3 mirrors, 4 mirrors. I mean, I guess, hey, whatever. But look, there's the bed. Boom.
It's a king.
It's a king.
And I booked the room.
And she booked the room. Look, Feb's just chilling. It's been a long day, y'all. We woke up at 4 o'clock this morning.
You didn't go to bed till almost midnight.
It was after midnight when we went to bed. So it's not much. It's like I said, the room is a little.
Wardrobe. There's a safe for anyone that is concerned. Also a
iron board.
Ironing board. Alarm clock. There are no USB ports.
Yes. So you're gonna need to bring your box. Make sure you bring your box. There's no USB. So yeah.
Bathroom's kind of small. I've used it, and it was pretty tight in here. Like as far as.
So yeah, keeping it real. Yeah. All right, that is what it is. We're here for
full-length mirror.
We're here for 2 nights. Like I said, you see, that's one of the 4 mirrors, so you got a full-length mirror there. But a good thing, there is a balcony. Door can't open, but there's a. Go ahead and try.
I mean, not that there's really anywhere to go.
No, so they have it's screwed, so you can't. It's just for decoration.
Guys, it's a cruise port.
It's the port.
Where's the ship?
There's
right
Celebrity Cruises right there.
We're here because we're going on a little mini
fast
cruise.
ferry, and and you know I love the airplane, so I can watch planes all day. So, but yeah,
Is that the beach? That water?
that's that.
I mean, I know the beach is over there, but is that the water we're looking at?
Across the causeway there, yeah. Across the causeway there's the beach. So I would say from this hotel to the closest beach, you're inside of maybe a mile.
No, I would say 1.
Inside of a mile.
Like 4. Oh, I didn't even see the bridge right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, the causeway, yeah. So I would say you're probably about a mile to the closest beach or so where there is a Publix there, so you can get
there's
groceries.
a Ross right across the street. You can dress for less.
Yeah.
Why don't you go over there and get some shorts?
Nope. But yeah, that's the room here at the Embassy Suite on 17th Street.
A TJ Maxx. Total Wine.
So
Carrabba's if you just want to walk somewhere real quick and get some food.
We just
A
gonna
juice
keep
and
naming
coffee
them.
bar.
We just gonna keep naming them all. Everything that's by there.
No,
Let's
but
go.
There's a lot of stuff in
Let's
walking
go.
distance. You
We
see
doing
the
it.
nails done right there.
All right, so go ahead and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below and tell Feb how much you love her hair, because we do. Peace.